Hello, just wanted to quickly share a fix to a problem that I ran into when using the ROP Geometry Output in process. It will overwrite anything that is on disk already, so I just wanted to share this way of not doing that. So first time you would run this, there are no files, and then let's say you wanted to just render out a flipbook for all the wedges. So if I cook this now, so it's gonna run the simulations in process and then cook out the flipbooks. And once this is finished, I'll show you quickly how this is working. So first of all, checking if there are any files on disk. So it didn't find any, so now it created a work item, one for each incoming work item, since it didn't find any files on disk, and then I partition these. So basically just passing these through the first time, then caching everything 6 times, and then merging all these together, and then only keeping this stream, and then rendering out the flipbook. So now the second time you'd run this, it would find the files on disk. Now it found 144 frames, so cache files on disk, and then partitions them by the wedge index, and then it only keeps incomplete wedges now. So now if you imagine that some frames would go missing for some reason, or you wanted to redo only one of the wedges or something, so say we delete this wedge and delete some frames here from this wedge. So now when we run this again, it will basically regenerate these two incomplete ones by comparing the partition size attribute it creates here. See, these have 24, like these are complete, and then this is the one I deleted a bunch of frames out of, so this one has 9 frames left in it, and then this is the one that got completely deleted, so it's only one. So all of these are not 24 frames, so then these get kept basically and regenerated here, recached, and then they get thrown out at this point here. So then we keep working on the original work items, the original amount of work items, and do whatever we want to do after this point. So just to quickly go through it again, in this file pattern node, you look in the folder where you would expect the files to be, create work items if nothing is found, and you partition by the wedge index, which gets created here, and then filter out the complete ones and only keep the incomplete ones by comparing with the partition size. Then cache these out again, and then merge these streams and only keep the items from the original wedges. And that's it. Hope it helps anyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.